going on, everybody? It's your man Radius, and welcome to another week, the final week of SS20 of the Supreme Drop List. We are on week 19. Drop one of Clues bombs for that. But anyways, though, this is the final week of the Supreme Drop List, and this week's drops are trash. I'm just being honest. Nothing here is really to write home. We'll go ahead and get into those quickly. If you look to my left, you can see the drops that are happening there. We do have a collaboration for this week. It is featuring Vans. Vans is dropping two shoes. Are dropping a high and they're dropping a slip-on. I'm a big, huge Vans fan myself, but neither of the high or the slip-on. You know, I like the Air 95s personally. But yeah, that's what's dropping. We have a couple other things that are dropping as well. Again, a very short drop to end the season. And I'm already looking forward to FW20. So with that said, let's go ahead and get into this week's drops. All right, people, let's not waste your time. Let's go ahead and get into this week's drop. We're gonna start off with the collaboration for this week. And again, it's featuring Vans. We have two pairs. Starting off with the Supreme x Van Hole Punch Denim Skate 8 High. This is gonna set you back $110. Now again, I'm not a fan of the Skate Highs. I just personally like the Airs. But this is not a bad collaboration. I do like the black version out of the two, but I'm gonna pass, so yeah. The next one we have is the slip-on, the Supreme x Van Hole Punch Denim Slip-on Pro. This is gonna cost you $98. The black is probably my favorite of the two, but like I said, with the high, I will be passing on both. Now moving on to some swimwear, we have some goggles and then we have a swim cap. The first thing we have is the Supreme x Speedo swim goggles. This is going to set you back $88. And then moving on to the Speedo swim cap, this is going to cost you $24. Next thing we have here, going on with the beach theme, is the Bling Towel. This is going to cost you $68. And then we have a crusher. This is the Mesh Crusher. Retail price for this is $50. And then moving on to another hat, we have the Embossed Denim Camp Cap. This is going to cost you $50. And then we have the Flags Rayon SS shirt. This is going to cost you $138. And moving on to a t-shirt, we have the MCMXCIV. It's Roman numeral stand for I don't know. Let me know in the comments what it is. I don't really care to search right now. The Terry SS top. This is going to cost you $88. And then moving on to the Piping Tank Top. This is going to cost you $68. And that's the drops for this week. I told you it's a very small drop. This is how Supreme is ending SS20. A lot of us really want to just end 2020 with all the shit that's happening. But yeah, that's the drops for this week. Now let's get to our cop and resale of the week. Now this week's cop and resale of the week is absolutely nothing. And I'm not bullshitting. It's absolutely nothing. I am not feeling this drop at all. There's nothing in this drop that's worth copying or reselling. I think this is probably the second time or maybe the first time I've ever not did a cop and resale of the week. There's been pretty much trash drops throughout the season. I will still find something that's worth copying and something that's worth reselling. There's nothing here worth copying. There's nothing here worth reselling. So I'm skipping it. That's how I'm gonna end SS20. We're just gonna skip the cop and the resale of the week, and we're just gonna go straight to the outro of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Hit me up with the social media links. We have YouTube, of course. Go ahead and subscribe. We also have Instagram, of course. Go ahead and hit me with a follow. If you appreciate this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and like the video. More videos will be coming for Supreme in about 3.5 months, but I will be producing some more content. My very next video I produce will be the Puma drop. I know you guys have been asking me about where are the shoes, where is the contest. I have not forgot. It is coming in the next video. With that said, I will see you guys in about 3.5 months. I hope you guys enjoyed Supreme SS20. FW20 starts in about August, September, I believe. So I'll see you guys then. Until then, enjoy.